Hi there, thanks for joining me. My name is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to do another craft activity, making masks. Now it's a different kind of mask than we're used to these days, but this one will cover our eyes and we can decorate it and wear it and feel like a superhero. So let's make a mask. So your kit should have come with one mask that can go over your eyes like that and a bunch of felt sticky on shapes. Now I'm going to make my own design and you can watch me do it, but you can do whatever you want as well. You don't even have to just use these, you can use sequins and glue. Just make sure that you get mum or dad or a carer to help you out. So I've got my mask here, like that. And so I'm going to empty out this packet full of all the shapes and we'll see what we've got. So if you take a felt shape, you'll see on the back that there's this white paper. If you peel it off, like that, you'll see that there's some stickiness underneath. So that's what we're going to use to stick onto the mask. But before I unpeel all of my white paper and reveal the stickiness, I think I'm going to do a little design just to see what looks good. So I'm going to take my mask and then I'm going to add various shapes to the eyes. Maybe I'll use these two, so it looks a bit like a cat. And then I'm going to add, ooh, I like this lightning bolt, so I might put a lightning bolt in. So I'm just going to use a few more of these and create a design that I like, that I think might look good when I finally get to wear my mask at the end. Let's all do it together. So now I've done my design, I'm going to unpeel all of the white at the back and stick it on. Alright, here we go. So I've stuck my blue on top of the red and my star and my lightning bolt, and now for the grand reveal. What do you think? I think I look pretty cool. Now, if you want to do this, you've already got the kit because that's why you're watching this video, but we would love it if you came into the library and showed us your amazing mask creations. So, until next time.